Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Royal Enfield bikes are made, step by step. Focus.
Every engine component is precisely machined to ensure maximum durability.
That torque spike is outside the acceptable range.
I see it. Rerunning the calibration sequence now. Value stabilizing.
Every bike is assembled with strict quality checks at each stage. Every motorcycle is thoroughly inspected before heading to riders worldwide.
And that's how Royal Enfield bikes are made. Blue Miss, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.